Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching between a list and grid view on the app menu on the RealMe Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Here you can see my app menu is currently in list view. In order to change from list to grid or vice versa, swipe from left to right on the watch's home screen to open the quick panel. Tap on the settings cog and then scroll down to and tap General. In the General settings, tap App View. Now choose which type of app view you would like and tap the tick. Your app view has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more RealMe Watch tips and tricks.